Well, here we are after the live. I had a great time tonight. I want to tell you guys that. Thank you. This is the piece. Let me see. Yeah, you can. Well, here, let me bring it over just a little bit. This is the piece I just did. Okay. Now, I'm going to make some coasters. I actually have some resin down to where I can make some smushy coasters. I love making smushy coasters. Basically, you just smush the coaster in the resin and you pick it up. I mean, how much easier can it get than that, right? So, I still have to email the winners. And be on, I don't know how many times she entered, but she won first. That's so cool. Let's see, let me put that one there. I don't have enough left for smushing, but I can put some stuff on here. Okay, the colors I had used in this, I'm going to put them below the video, was, this is the Rust-Oleum Gloss White Oil-Based Paint. Simple little paint, okay? And then I used Carbon Black by Just Resin, the Aluminum Tint by Just Resin, and then I mixed a little bit of the two together to get a grayish, because I was trying to go for some black and white fur, but it didn't turn out, so I ended up going with that. Okay. I don't want to put too much resin on these coasters, but I want to make sure they have enough. I want to make sure it's evenly divided. And I ended up on this piece going with a little bit of purple. Okay. Okay, now I just want to make sure I have got resin all the way to the edge, all the way around, so the other resin has something to slide on. That's a good thing to make sure you do, is make sure wherever you want your resin to go that it has something, some other resin, even if it's clear, even if it's just clear. Okay, I don't want to get gray on these right now. All I want to do is just get the white spread out. Because I'm probably going to do some swiping across these too. Oh, these lights. I gotta find better lights. I sweat to death under these lights. Okay. This is all I'm doing, is just spreading it around. Okay, now I got a chair that doesn't want to move. Okay, now I want to do some black. I'm probably not going to use all the colors up, but I've got some not coasters, shot glass molds over there. That's where I put the little tiny bits of resin in there. You'd be surprised after I get one filled up and I pop it out how much is in there and what the different colors look like. Okay. Get rid of that stick. That one was the one with the black and the aluminum mixed in it. That was the black, and now this one is just plain aluminum, which is a lot lighter. And I'm just trying to do, you know, just an abstract design. That's why they call it abstract painting. Okay, now So this is not going to be really a matching set of 4. What this is going to end up being is 2 and 2, but okay, now we're going to get the air bubbles out. I'll get this little bit of other color up there. I know this looks weird, but you don't want to waste any resin. Resin is too expensive to just throw it away. Unless you do like I did in the poodle demonstration when I poured on that poodle shape, and I did I spilled a whole cup of resin. Where are my papers? Why is it I can never find? Oh, okay, I thought I had some paper left out, but I just will grab another one. Okay. You don't want to swipe too fast, but then you want to make sure it's touching everything. I'll start over here on this one. You just want it to be lightly touching it. You don't want to pull the paint, your white base off. Okay, and these will look like some little elegant ones, but I will add a little touch of the purple glitter to each of them. Okay, let me see now what I've got, if I got any cells. Okay, I need a higher heat or hot. Up all the way up. See, that's all you want to do once you get the resin down, is just blow it around and try to get a design out of it. It's kind of hard to do that with monochrome colors like this, with black, white, and gray, but come on, give me some cells, guys. And girls, whatever you... I don't know what the sex of a coaster is. Okay, I am not getting too many cells, so let me just put some purple on there. See, the stick is not giving me a big enough line, so okay. You know what? That's about all I'm going to be able to really do with these, because they are small. Okay, after you do finish a coaster, you want to make sure you wipe all the edges down underneath so you don't get any drips. I didn't get a tray ready to put these on, but I put mine on these trays, and then they go in the the big cabinet over here behind me. That's got a couple paintings on the shelves right now. Those are the those are where I put that's my dust-free zone, I guess you could call it. Anyway, well, thank you so much for watching this after the live. I think this is episode 4 now. I haven't really kept track. So this will be up in a little while too, after the live. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so. Come back and see us sometime. Hit the little bell for the notification so you'll be notified of upcoming videos. I love the resin right out of you guys. I'm serious. I enjoy spending time either live or in just doing videos. I enjoy spending time with you. I'm so glad you came to watch. And if you know, hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.